Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your SurveyMonkey account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you pause or close out a survey in SurveyMonkey? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to close out a survey anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to keep in touch with your customers to guide which services and products you're going to be offering. And sometimes you get enough replies, and SurveyMonkey, they charge on the amount of replies or responses you get. So sometimes it's better to go ahead and close out the survey if you have enough data already to avoid any extra charges. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your SurveyMonkey account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my SurveyMonkey, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, you want to go ahead and scroll through until you find the survey that you would like to close out. This is a test account, so you can see I just have this one survey right here. Once you found the survey, go ahead and click on the survey and open it up. Okay, once you click there, it's going to show more data about your survey in SurveyMonkey, including the responses. However, in order to pause or close this out, what you're going to do is here where it says overall survey status, it says open. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, so once you click on open, you're going to see this section right here. So again, it says status open along with the responses. And off to the right, you're going to see these three dots. Click on there. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu. And in order to pause or close this out, you're going to click here, close collector. Now, if you want to completely delete it, if you're not going to use it again, go ahead and click right here. However, by closing it out, that's going to avoid anyone else from entering the survey and responding. And if you need more information about that, you just click on this little icon right here. And it says closing a collector will stop it from accepting responses. Anyone that tries to access the survey through a closed collector will see a survey closed message. So that's what I'm going to click on. Okay, next you get this warning saying that you're about to pause or close out this survey. And then here is the default message. The survey is currently closed. Please contact the author of the survey for further assistance. Now, they do let you know here that if you close it out, people cannot access the survey, but you are welcome to reopen it again at a future date if you wish to do so. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on close collector. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. And as you can see right here, this survey in SurveyMonkey is now closed. So if anybody goes to this link, it's going to say that that survey is no longer active unless I come back in here and do the same thing, three dots and then open collector. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to pause or close out a survey in SurveyMonkey, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.